What up, y'all? I'm here today on a rainy POV on the way to the gym. Man, y'all just missed some flex shit, man. I wish I should have been recorded. No, I'm just on my way to the gym. Figured I'd whip out the phone and start recording, you feel me, making some content. So why not? Shit, what y'all been on, bro? My last video, well, I don't know. I'm uploading one tonight. The day I'm recording this, I'm dropping tonight. It'll be the 9-minute video. I'm not sure what it's called yet, but it's dropping tonight. I want to say around 7:30, but I mean, hell, it's gonna be dropped by the time y'all see this. But I'll link it up here. But yeah, nah, that's dropping tonight. That was one of my. I recorded that I think yesterday. And that was one of my funner videos. I haven't really got to get active in this. It ain't really the weather for it. You know, I'm in Indiana. Shit, it was supposed to snow today, actually. It's supposed to snow next week. I don't know if y'all finna get some snowy action from me. Shit, man, this thing ain't never seen snow. I'm trying to sell it, but shit, bro. Nobody trying to spend that much right now. You know, it's the holidays too. You know, Christmas is almost next week. You feel me? Shit, I got traffic, bro. Damn. Hey, look at this Jeep right here. I don't know what that is. It's an SRT. That bitch was hard. Damn. That Jeep was a scat. Man, I wish I was recording earlier. I'm actually, I forgot my headphones at the crib. I had to come back and get them. I put them in the glove box. Oh, shit, y'all. I got pulled over this morning, actually, on my way to work. Bro. My ass, bro. So we were going, and I drove this. I don't ever drive this shit to work. And the one day I drove this bitch to work, I got pulled over. And I was pulled over. I got on the job site, and then the motherfuckers pulled me over as I was parking. I was like, damn. Bro, I'm going. So I'm on, I don't even know how to explain it. Shit, man. Like up here, there's going to be a four-way. Actually, nah. I'll show y'all later. But shit, man, I was going and this car was trying to parallel park in front of me. Say where this red car is. We're in the turn lane. We're in the turn lane to turn right and go straight. And then there's a left turn lane. So I have my blinker on. They have their blinker on. And then I'm thinking they're turning right because it's the turn lane or whatever. But them motherfuckers, bro, they like started to slow down, and I'm like, why the fuck would we stop, bro? But there's cars in the left turn lane, so whatever. And I'm like, why would we stop, bro? And then I see this motherfucker start backing up, and I was like, damn. So then the left turn lane cleared up. I went around him, and I guess I don't even know, bro. I got on it a little bit, and I guess my car was echoing off the buildings or some shit, bro. But a cop heard me, looked at me, and seen I was going fast, bro. And I was like, damn. Cause then I was going, and I was like a block away from the job site. So I turn right, and then the job site is right there. And that bitch pulled me over, bro. As soon as I pulled into the job site, I put a clip up right here. That shit crazy, bro. That shit crazy. But nah, he was a cool ass cop. I think he liked the car. He gave me a warning. He said I was speeding, which I was. I ain't gonna lie, I was. But he gave me a warning. He said, I know it's a fun car. I got one too. And I was like, shit, man. But nah, it's because he pulled me over in the Charger. That's what he was talking about. But nah, that shit was crazy, though. That was my first time ever being pulled, y'all. I ain't never been pulled over before. Other than that shit is crazy. Man, his light's bright as hell. I want to get a dually. Look at that. Old Dodge dually. Somebody wanted to trade me this for one, actually. But I ain't trying to do all that right now. Trade no dualies. I don't need one. I'm finna move anyway. That's why I'm trying to sell it. Y'all finna start getting some Charger content. I'm moving to California. I might give y'all some like shit, some rental cut ups or some shit like that. You feel me? I'm gonna get y'all content somehow, bro. I'm finna figure something out. Damn, the rain is crazy, y'all. I can start sliding up this bitch right now. Nah, I ain't, bro. Loki, I don't even like driving this bitch in the rain. I need new tires, y'all. My fronts is bad. Like, I need to get some like ASAP, but that's why I'm just trying to sell it, bro. I ain't trying to put no more money into this. At least before I leave, you know. I don't know. Maybe that's why I was thinking. Maybe I should put, you know, a few bucks into it, drive it a little longer, you know. But I ain't even finna be here, so I mean, I guess I could leave it for my dad. You know what I mean? Damn. Pay attention, Schmoltima. I'm gonna leave my lights on. Them shit's bright as hell. It ain't that dark yet. But yeah, I guess I could leave it for my dad. I don't know. I don't know. We gonna see. We is gonna see, y'all. God damn. Man, oh man. I'm on my way, second time to the damn gym today. I gotta piss, bro. That bitch finna be packed. This is when the Challenger got in front of me, the Scat. And I put a video, I actually recorded him. I put a video up right now. Yeah, that bitch dope. No, he's getting over. Damn, his brakes is fucked up. And that bitch sweet though. That bitch was wrong. That guy was dope as hell. His brakes was fucked up though. His brakes was fucked up. Look, some motherfucking Charlie boy up there. He behind that one, behind the car behind me. He ain't finna be on shit. Low key, I ain't on shit because it's rainy, bro. Damn, that big ass truck, man. That bitch was big as hell. Guess I'll turn my lights on. Damn. Should I do it in a tunnel up here? I'm finna spin. Damn, that bitch finna be wide as hell. Yeah, I'll do it. Listen, I'll do it better this time. I got y'all. This shit ain't even fast, bro. This shit slow as hell. That shit good. I was like, damn, somebody shit raggedy. Nah, that was just gonna be good. Somebody. Damn, y'all, I was bumping to that Michael Jackson. Okay. Damn, there's a Challenger right there. I don't know what the fuck that was. Green one, I don't know where that. The one behind me, I don't know where he went. I think he still might be back there. Alright, y'all. Shit, I'm finna head to the gym. I'll catch y'all probably maybe on the way back. Oh, there's a Stang right there. That nigga lucky I can't take his ass. Damn, what the fuck? Alright, y'all. I'll catch y'all when I catch y'all. Yo, what up, y'all? I'm just not getting done with the gym, and y'all see it is pitch black, bro. Shit, man. I think I'm just gonna end the video here, you know what I'm saying? So, if y'all made it this far, I appreciate y'all watching this far. You feel me? Made it all the way to the end of the video. I appreciate that for real, man. But, I just wanna thank y'all. If you liked it, you know, like it and tell me why. If you don't like it, if you know I got room to improve on something, you can dislike it and tell me why. But alright, y'all, I think that's gonna be it for this video. I'll catch you on the next one.